Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be solving the loops part of the Starkling challenge. It says, having troubles to solve this one, click get help for help. So our task is to make the code compile as usual. So we have the test loop. It says let variable counter equals to 0. To do, make the test pass without changing any existing line. So we're not to modify any line. So loop. So this is one of the ways to use loop in Cairo. We have different types of loop. We have three different types of loop in Cairo. We have the for loop, we have the while loop, and then we have this loop. But for the sake of this challenge, we are using the normal this loop, right? Okay, so break. Okay, there's something that is supposed to, there's a logic that is supposed to actually go into this logic does is not correct at all. It says loop, then what are we looping through? There's no conditional statement in here. So basically what we're going to do is, let's say there's an increment going on here, counter plus equals to 1. Assert that counter is equals 10. Counter should be 10. So let's say if counter equals 10, then the break that is here should happen. Because what the task is to make the counter, to make counter 10. So counter will continue from 1 till it reaches 10. So when it reaches 10, it should break, right? It should break. So if it comes back here, if it reaches 10 and breaks and adds 1 again, come back, it's not going to like work again because the break has already altered the loop. So let's compile the code. That should work just fine. There's an issue. There's an issue. Something went wrong with your code. Counter. Okay, yeah, there's a mistake. It's supposed to be equality. Yeah. So yeah, it works just fine. So next, um, the next says having trouble to solve this one. Click get int button to help. Okay, so we have this loop that is being assigned to this result to make it more like a statement, right? So we have the counter from 0. It says if counter is equals to 5. To do, return a value from the loop. So you have to return a value so the value can be stored in this result variable. So if counter equals to 5, we basically just need to break because right now if we do not break or continue, right, it's just going to keep, it just is going to enter a for loop. It's going to be infinite, right? Just going to come, go, 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 go. So we need to like break the code right here. We need to break the code. No, not break. Hold up. If counter equals to 5, return a value from the loop. Oh, okay. Once counter is 5, we want to return counter. So it should break counter. Break counter. This should work just fine. So let's compile and see. Oh, yes, it does. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to continue with enums.